This is the marinara sauce from your grandmother's house. It is super traditional, which means she won't yell at you when you make it for her. We do put our own little spin on this classic. Hi y'all, welcome to Cozymeal Studios, where the vibes are immaculate and the food, don't even get me started on the food. Yeah, I know that's what I'm here to do. I'm here for the food. I'm doing the food. Okay, let's get to the food. You wanna hear about the marinara sauce or not? Before we begin, do me a little favor, hit that like button, hit subscribe, and tap on that little baby notification bell. All right, girlies, this is what we're doing. In a medium saucepan over medium heat, heat the olive oil until hot, but not searing hot. Add the basil, thyme, parsley, and oregano to the saucepan, and then reduce the heat to medium-low. We want to lightly sauté these, maybe 2 to 3 minutes, but we do not want to fry the herbs. You want the herbs to stay green while you go through this process. What we're doing is we're making a flavored oil. This is going to make your house smell super fragrant. It's going to release so many aromas. When they're done, remove the herbs, set them aside. You can use them to garnish later if you wish. Add garlic to this oil, and then the garlic should be simmering in there. Cook the garlic for about a minute. Add the shallots, and then simmer this for 1 more minute until the shallots become translucent. Add the entire can of tomatoes to the saucepan. Then take your can, fill it with a 1/4 cup of water, pour it into the saucepan. Rinse the remaining sauce in little tidbits at the bottom. My mom always did this, and I always do it too. Just there's always extra goodness down there. Adjust the heat to high and occasionally stir until the sauce begins to simmer. Lower the heat and cover it. You're gonna simmer this for an hour and a half, stirring just occasionally. After the sauce cools 10 to 15 minutes, you can use an immersion blender to blend it until it's smooth. I like a rustic, lumpy sauce, but that's just me. You do your thing. You get your kitchen gadgets dirty. I totally get it. I think there's a time and a place for a smooth sauce. The time and the place is never where I am. For a classic, just regular, rustic pasta dish, leave it lumpy, girlies. Y'all, that was our recipe. How simple was that? Most of this is inactive cooking. You're just letting it simmer and do its thing. So easy and so delicious. Share with your grandmother, because if you don't, I will. What? If you liked this video, please hit that like button, hit subscribe, and tap on that little notification bell. If you want to see the written recipe, head to the description box below or head to cozymeal.com/recipes. It shows me that you love what we're doing here, okay? As always, my name's Yanni, and thank you for watching Cozymeal Studios. Mwah.